Monitor suspicious passages in your student's text with the Points of Interest page. Are you a teacher and you want to analyze suspicious passages in your student's work? Let's take a look at the Points of Interest page together. On this page, you can observe suspicious passages throughout your student's text. To facilitate your navigation, you can select the type of suspicious text. You can view the locations of suspicious text in the document by browsing through these indicators. Similarities, texts between quotes, unrecognized languages, and text potentially generated by AI if you use Compilatio Magister Plus. To check each suspicious passage, simply click on its location to access the corresponding text. You can also click on the buttons of the following or previous points of interest. On the left, the icons give you indications on the nature of the detected passages. On the right, you have indications on the detected sources. By clicking here, you obtain additional information, for example, the URL of the source and the number of words identical to the source. Evaluate whether a source has been used properly. To evaluate the use of a source, you can directly compare your student's text with that of the detected source. This allows you to determine whether the student has simply copied and pasted the text without modification, or whether he has tried to reformulate it. You can also choose to ignore the source by clicking here. The score is automatically recalculated, and the passage becomes grayed out. To restore it, simply click here again. You have discovered the features of the Points of Interest page of your Compilatio Magister and Magister Plus Analysis report. Continue to explore other software tools and video.
Cette vidéo vous a été présentée par mon avatar avec l'aide d'une intelligence artificielle.